Hello aspirants, are you struggling to pick optional for UPSC? Let me tell you why anthropology is the best choice, a smart choice. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll be telling you how anthropology will help you for the exam. First of all, it has the highest scoring potential. If you observe the past toppers from anthropology, they have almost scored like 300 plus, be it Anudeep Durishetty or Nidhi Pai, which gave them attractive ranks. Not just that, the syllabus in anthropology is also very well defined. In the paper 1, we have socio-cultural anthropology and physical anthropology. And along with that, a minor portion of paper 1 and paper 2 constitutes archaeological anthropology. And the paper 2 is divided in between the tribal studies and the village studies, specifically focusing on the caste factor, which is a dynamic concept. And not just that, you can produce impressive answers by following a particular templates or frameworks in anthropology by dropping diagrams wherever necessary, especially in biological anthropology, and also drawing flowcharts in socio-cultural anthropology. And if you ask me what part of GS syllabus overlaps with anthropology, I would say that whatever socio-cultural aspect you study in paper 1, that overlaps with the GS1 societal part. And the tribal problems or the problems of the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes that we study in paper 2, that falls under the social justice part of the GS2, and the human environment interactions that we study in the anthropology, that comes under GS3, the environmental aspect. And not just these GS papers, anthropology will also help you fetch good marks in essay and ethics, because it gives you a perspective as to how to approach things, especially solve the case studies. Anthropology teaches you cultural relativism, which shapes your personality and which is very helpful for a sensitive governance where 700 tribes are living in our country. And above all, I would conclude saying that this is a strategic choice. It is a ticket for your success and service. Here in Sharat Chandra, we are organizing a new batch from June 16th onwards, and we have an orientation session in anthropology on June 4th, 4 p.m. So let's meet in the anthropology orientation session. If you have any doubts, do contact us. Thank you.